Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers team. We're out here on day one in Gardner, Kansas. What we have on this project, it's pretty much identical to the scope of work on our recently completed Stillwell, Kansas job. We're going to be excavating down to the footing from the corner to the edge of this patio. We're going to excavate down to the footing, relieve the pressure off of the foundation wall, and then we're going to come inside, use our 6x6s, our treated wood support post, our 30-ton bottle jacks. We're going to straighten the wall back to vertical. We have 4 wall braces going on the inside to keep the wall vertical. And then once the trench is dug, we have 3 King Pier 2s we're going to be installing under the footing. So not only are we going to straighten the wall, we're going to pier it and make sure that it is vertical, and we're going to make sure the footing's at its correct level elevation, and then of course any kind of epoxy injection as needed on any of the foundation cracks. We'll get it sealed from the outside and the inside. So for now, first couple days of this project is just going to be the excavation. Pretty small area comparative to Stillwell. We don't have a patio we need to take out, so that's going to save us a lot of time. Yeah, for now we're just getting everything raked out. We don't want any of the existing mulch mixed in with the dirt, so we're going to make sure to keep this as neat as we possibly can. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. While you're there, please give us a like and subscribe. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.